stand out, win the listing. Real estate agents, let's be honest. In today's market, sellers have options. They can interview you, then interview another agent, then compare commission, experience, marketing plan, and promises. So the real question is, what makes you different? What gives a homeowner a clear reason to choose you over the agent sitting across the kitchen table tomorrow? If you want to win more listings, you need more than a listing presentation. You need a true advantage. That advantage is Home Market Value Pro's Fix Now, Pay at Close solution. This is the vital tool that can tip the scales in your favor. When a seller wants full market value, but the home needs repairs, updates, staging, or listing prep, you can offer something most agents cannot. Fix the home now. List it stronger. Pay when it closes. No upfront cost to the seller. No out-of-pocket expense for the realtor. No credit impact. And a real path to helping the home show better, sell faster, and compete for full market value. In this short video, we'll show you how this tool helps you stand out immediately, win more listings, create more appreciative clients, and secure more referrals for future business. Because when you bring homeowners a solution they didn't know existed, you stop sounding like every other agent. You've become the agent with the answer. Watch now and discover how Home Market Value Pros, Home MVPs, can help you separate yourself from the competition and win the listing before someone else does. Real estate agents, let's talk about one of the biggest problems standing between you and more closed deals. You meet with a homeowner who wants to sell. They're motivated. They're ready. But there's one problem. The home needs repairs. Maybe it needs paint. Maybe flooring. Maybe kitchen updates. Maybe curb appeal. Maybe staging. Maybe all of the above. And because the home needs work, you already know what happens next. The seller either lists it as is, accepts a lower offer, sits on the market longer, or loses out on their home's true full market value. That means the seller leaves money on the table. And as the agent, your commission may be lower than it should be. But now, there's a better solution. It's called Fix Now, Pay at Close. And it's managed by Home Market Value Pros, also known as Home MVPs. Home MVPs helps real estate agents offer homeowners a powerful listing prep solution. The seller can fix up the home now, prepare it for market, increase buyer demand, and not pay for the improvements until the house sells and closes. No out-of-pocket expense for the seller. No out-of-pocket expense for the realtor. No impact on the seller's credit. And sellers may qualify for up to $75,000 to improve the home and prepare it for listing at full market value. Program highlights and key benefits include pay at close funding, up to $75,000, no credit impact, fast approvals, no liens, project oversight, preferred contractors, higher sale prices, higher commissions, stronger buyer demand, and more competitive listings. First, let's talk about what this means for you, the real estate agent. The number one benefit is simple. Higher sale price potential means higher commission potential. When a home is outdated, damaged, or not market ready, buyers see problems. And when buyers see problems, they ask for discounts. They negotiate harder. They make lower offers. But when that same home is repaired, refreshed, staged, and properly prepared for market, the conversation changes. Now buyers see value. They see move-in ready. They see confidence. They see a home worth competing for. That is how you help your seller target full market value. And when your seller gets closer to full market value, your commission benefits too. Home MVPs gives you another tool to walk into listing appointments with confidence and say, you don't have to sell as is. You don't have to leave money on the table. We have a pay-at-close solution. That is powerful. That helps you win more listings. That helps you sell for more. And that helps you stand out from every other agent competing for that seller. Second, market-ready homes can sell faster. There is reference program data showing homes may sell 31% faster and achieve 9% higher listing value, with individual results varying. And every agent understands what that means. Less time on market, fewer price reductions, fewer difficult conversations, fewer stale listings, more momentum, more buyer activity, more professional-looking listings, and a stronger presentation from day one. When a listing looks right, photographs better, shows better, and feels move-in ready, buyers respond differently. Home MVPs helps you create that advantage before the home ever hits the market. Third, and this is important, You do not have to become the contractor. You do not have to spend your time chasing painters, flooring installers, handymen, stagers, roofers, cleaners, or repair crews. Home Market Value Pros manages the home improvement project from start to finish. We help coordinate the scope of work. We work with approved and vetted contractors. We oversee the process. We help keep the project moving. And we warrant the work. That means you can focus on what you do best: winning listings, marketing homes, negotiating offers, and closing transactions. Home MVPs does the legwork so you do not have to. You bring the listing. We help prepare it for market. Together, we help the seller pursue full market value. And here's something we want every agent to hear clearly. At Home Market Value Pros, we value our partnership with real estate agents. We are not here to replace realtors. We are here to support realtors. We are here to help you win more listings, create stronger listings, and serve your sellers better. And when we meet homeowners who want to sell but do not already have an agent, we reciprocate. We refer those home sellers to the real estate agents who partner with us. That means partnering with Home MVPs can help you in two ways. You can bring us your current listings and pre-listings that need repairs, and we can refer sellers back to our trusted realtor partners when we meet homeowners who need representation. We value agent relationships. We protect agent relationships. And we want to grow with agents who see the value in helping sellers prepare their homes the right way. Now let's talk about the seller. For many homeowners, the biggest obstacle is not willingness, it's cash flow. They know the home needs work. They know repairs would help, but they do not want to spend thousands of dollars before they sell. That's why pay at close is so powerful. The seller can renovate now, prepare the home for market now, and pay when the sale closes. No upfront cash, no out-of-pocket expense, no impact on credit, no listens. That removes one of the biggest barriers sellers face. Qualified sellers may access up to $75,000 for improvements, repairs, renovations, staging, and listing preparation. That could mean fresh paint, new flooring, kitchen updates, bathroom improvements, exterior repairs, landscaping, cleaning, staging, curb appeal. All the things that help a home show better, photograph better, attract more buyers, and compete stronger in the market. Instead of selling the home in its current condition, the seller gets a chance to present the home at its best. The seller may also use any contractor that has been approved and vetted by Home MVPs. That gives the seller flexibility, but it also gives the realtor peace of mind. The project is not left unmanaged. The work is not left to chance. Home MVPs helps oversee the improvement process so the home can be prepared professionally before it goes live. Real estate agents, if you have current listings, upcoming listings, or pre-listing appointments where the home needs repairs before it can sell for full market value, contact Home Market Value Pros today. There is no obligation. Just information. Just a conversation. Just a powerful solution you can offer your sellers immediately. Do not let another seller lose money because they cannot afford repairs up front. Do not let another listing sit longer than it should. Do not leave commission on the table. Partner with Home Market Value Pros, Home MVPs. We help your sellers fix now, pay at close, and list with confidence. And remember, we value our realtor partners. When we meet sellers without agents, we refer them to the agents who partner with us. Bring us your current listings. Bring us your pre-listings. Let's help homeowners unlock hidden value together. Visit HomeMVPs.com today. Home Market Value Pros. Renovate now, pay at close.